Hi, and welcome to On the Move, a show highlighting what's going on in your community. I'm Tamar Hajimanukyan, your host. In this episode, we will check out some recent water and electrical upgrades completed or in the works by Glendale Water and Power, see what major infrastructure improvements Public Works has been engineering, check out the Glendale Police Department's Project Lifesaver program, learn about upcoming commemorative events in remembrance of the Armenian Genocide Centennial, learn how you can protect our community from brush fires, check out all the fun you can expect at Fire Service Day, amp up for the upcoming Earth Day and Space 134 event, see how you can participate in the Verdugo Mountains 10K, and check out the Community Development Department's new property portal. The City of Glendale has many exciting changes, but the most important upgrades are ones we sometimes don't see at all. Here to discuss water and electrical upgrades completed by the Glendale Water and Power Department is General Manager Steve Zern.
Over the past 10 years, Glendale Water and Power has invested over $100 million in the electric infrastructure to provide reliable service to our customers. We have no intentions of slowing down that effort, as we have plans to infuse another $60 million into the system over the next 3 years as a result of a bond issuance approved by our City Council in 2013. That money will go towards replacing older equipment, upgrading capacity, and moving towards a more modern and technologically advanced electrical grid. The most significant project underway this year is the modernization of the Grandview substation. The facility, originally built in the 30s, entails the upgrading of older equipment, modernizing our systems, and increasing the voltage capability in order to provide more efficient and reliable power to our customers. The project was started this past February and is expected to be completed in fall of 2016. In our water division, we've taken a similar course in ensuring that we make the investment necessary to maintain our infrastructure in a quality condition and to avoid the breakdowns in our system that can impact service, result in damage that is both disruptive and costly to repair. After focusing on the upgrade of our water storage and pumping facilities, we are now turning our attention to the distribution system and replacing aging water mains and valves to provide enhanced service, increased water flow, upgraded fire protection, and improved water quality for all of our customers. This past December, we completed the Adams Hill Upgrade Project, where we installed 7,100 lineal feet of replacement pipes, 2,400 feet of new water mains, and 19 new fire hydrants, encompassing 13 different streets in this particular area. As part of the Kenyatta Boulevard Upgrade Project, we installed nearly 5,000 lineal feet of new pipe and cleaned and mortar-lined another 11,000 feet of existing pipe. And we recently embarked on the Beaudry Terrace Water Main Upgrade Project as well. Finally, in our Power Management Division, we are nearing the completion of the Integrated Resource Plan, which will analyze our power supply and transmission needs for the future. Included in this effort is the analysis for repowering the Grayson Power Plant. The project will evaluate options for continuing the use of the facility, originally built in the early 40s, and will include scenarios for replacing, upgrading, and modernizing the equipment for the facility, which has long been a vital component of our overall power supply strategic plan, and a key to our continued success in supplying reliable power to our GWP customers. We at GWP remain committed to maintaining the quality of our critical utility infrastructure, which is the backbone of our system and the basis for our success and our ability to provide our customers with a top quality service and product.
Much like water and power, the improvements our Public Works Department completes may go unnoticed, but we all love the smooth ride that follows. Here to bring us up to speed on pedestrian, transit, and infrastructure upgrades is Director of Public Works, Rubik Galanian.
The Public Works Department is responsible for the preservation, maintenance, and upgrade of the majority of the city's infrastructure for the benefit of our residents, businesses, and visitors. Just in the last 2 years, the department has completed over $50 million in capital improvement projects, including 15.5 miles of resurfacing, 53 miles of slurry sealing, and replacing nearly 4,000 linear feet of sewer lines. These activities are part of the department's robust capital improvement program, which includes streets, sidewalks, street lights, traffic signals, street trees, parks, public buildings, parking facilities, sewer and storm drain systems. The department is responsible for the maintenance of an extensive street network consisting of 350 centerline miles of streets and 378 alleys. We use a computerized pavement management system to identify objectives and establish design standards. prioritize pavement treatments, and create a model for long-term maintenance to obtain maximum pavement life and ultimately protect the investment in our city's roadway infrastructure. We are proud to achieve a significantly better than average pavement condition index. In a 2010 report, the city's average pavement condition index was 74.6, while the statewide average was only 66. We expect the index to have even higher in the soon-to-be-released report. The Central Avenue Improvements Project was recently completed and received the overall Outstanding Local Streets and Roads Project Award by the League of California Cities. This project highlighted Glendale's best engineering practices, innovative technologies and materials to achieve safety, preservation, and sustainability goals for our street system. This project was also Glendale's first use of cold pavement recycling, which involved grinding the existing asphalt in a mobile local plant and replacing the material back on the street without leaving Glendale. The process reduced the construction impacts and the cost by about $340,000 and eliminated 360 truck trips. Another notable infrastructure project is the Glendale Avenue improvements, which included 2,500 linear feet of sewer upgrades and 800 linear feet of sewer lining, 7 traffic signal system upgrades, and 8 high-visibility pedestrian crossings. Also, nearing completion is the Kenyatta Boulevard Improvements Project that involved the construction of a new storm drain system, the rehabilitation of 2 existing storm drain systems, the cleaning, lining, and upsizing of water mains, pavement rehabilitation, and 6 traffic signal upgrades. This and the Glendale Avenue project both used a cold-in-place pavement recycling technology, saving approximately 30% in cost and 1,330 truck trips less than the traditional construction methods. With federal grant funding from the Safe Routes to School program, we have completed several projects in the vicinity of 12 local schools so far. These have included sidewalk improvements, traffic calming, and diversion measures that provide a safer walking and cycling routes between homes and schools for almost $1 million per project. As for the near future, we are engaged in completing the design of over $40 million worth of capital improvement projects. Among these are the upcoming $10 million Chevy Chase Drive sewer diversion project and the $7 million Pacific Avenue and Burchett Street improvements project. Please visit us at glendaleca.gov/publicworks to learn more about many other top quality public works projects and services we provide.
A police officer's duties consist of much more than just enforcement. Let's meet Police Chief Rob Castro and learn about the proactive program the Glendale Police Department has implemented to help individuals and their families living with Alzheimer's, autism, and Down syndrome.
The Glendale Police Department has partnered with Project Lifesaver to provide assistance in tracking at-risk individuals who suffer from mental impairments such as Alzheimer's, Down syndrome, or autism. Clients in this program are provided with a personalized wrist or ankle band that is marked by the Glendale Police Department. These bands contain battery-operated transmitters that are designed to emit a frequency that can be tracked up to 1 mile radius by patrol officers. Project Lifesaver has provided in-depth training to Glendale police officers on the use of this specialized electronic search and rescue equipment, as well as teaching rescuers how to properly communicate with individuals afflicted with cognitive conditions, all of which are essential to the successful rescue of missing persons or those who wander or otherwise become lost.
Your family called us, they've been looking for you, and we were able to locate you with that bracelet.
Oh, good thing I have it on there, but
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
The caregivers will be an active participant in the monitoring and daily checking of these devices to ensure the band is operating properly. A reserve officer will be assigned to each family that participates in the program. The Glendale Police Department is currently equipped with 2 receivers, which will be utilized by patrol personnel.
A 100 years ago, the Armenians suffered a genocide, resulting in the loss of 1.5 million lives. Today, we look back at the atrocities of 1915 and commemorate those lost with a week of remembrance. Here to discuss the events taking place in the city of Glendale is Mayor Zada Sinanian and Councilmember Ara Najarian.
Hello, I am Mayor Zada Sinanian.
And I'm Councilman Ara Najarian.
In March, the Glendale City Council was honored to vote unanimously to proclaim April 2015 as Armenian Genocide Commemoration Month.
April brings about a time to reflect upon the lives of the 1.5 million Armenian people who were senselessly slaughtered by the Ottoman Empire in an act of genocide.
Glendale is home to the largest Armenian population outside of Armenia. And as members of this large diaspora and descendants of genocide victims, we believe it is vitally important to annually remember those victims and victims of inhumanities throughout the world.
As 2015 represents the centennial of this atrocity, the Glendale City Council, Life 100 Organizing Committee, Armenian Genocide Centennial Committee, Glendale City staff, and members of the Glendale community have organized a number of events to commemorate those lives lost and celebrate the accomplishments of the Armenian population.
We invite you to visit the Life 100 website under the Library, Arts, and Culture Department to see the wide variety of art in all forms created by Armenians from all over the world. The diaspora introduced new cultures and influences to create these beautiful works of art.
We invite you to also check the city's website and the websites of our partners to locate commemorative events throughout the city in the month of April.
The Glendale City Council is committed to transparency of local government and engaging an informed community. The city has recently developed a website we are calling MPG for measuring performance in Glendale. We encourage you to explore our new website at performance.glendaleca.gov to take a deeper look at Glendale's budget, economic vibrancy, and safety. By sharing city data, we hope to increase transparency and customer service and empower individuals to analyze our data, to note trends, suggest improvements, and together help build an even better Glendale. Not interested in the visualized breakdown? The City of Glendale's 2014-2015 operating budget recently received the Excellence Award by the California Society of Municipal Finance Officers for the 5th year in a row. Check the city's website to learn more about our traditional and our new and innovative ways of connecting. Southern California is in a very serious drought, and our hillside vegetation is drier this year than ever before. Here is Battalion Chief Tom Marchant to share how you can help protect property and lives in the city of Glendale.
In Southern California, brush fire season is year-round. The Glendale Fire Department is committed to protecting our community. But we need your help. Please, if you haven't cleared the brush around your property, we need you to do so immediately. Help us help you protect our community. For further information, contact us at glendalefire.org or call 818-548-4810.
As Battalion Chief Marchant mentioned, brush clearance is key to maintaining a safe city. If you need assistance clearing your hillsides or maintaining a defensible space around your home, the Glendale Youth Alliance has a team ready to take on the clearance. The Brush Clearance Program provides the youngest and unskilled youth, ages 14 through 16, a first-time job experience. On closely supervised teams, they remove overgrown brush on over 30 parcels of city-owned land and are available for hire on private property throughout Glendale, augmenting the city's vegetation management program and reducing the risk of fires on the city's hillsides. Let's meet some of our great youth participants.
Hi, my name's Adam Gallagher. I'm here with GYA Summer Brush Clearance Program, and we're clearing out this mountain behind me.
I'm Stephanie Hura. I'm here with GYA Program, helping out for the summer. So all the branches you see, we're cutting them off to prevent fires. So we're doing something good.
It's important because it prevents a lot of wildfires that can spark from the dry brush that dries up throughout the summer. So we're removing anything green like sumac bushes and just really anything that can dry up and be flammable.
This is my first job. I'm actually 14 and they actually The ages are 14 to 18, so I was really excited to be actually working.
It's a good program for kids who are younger because not a lot of places are looking to hire them. And it's good work experience, teaches you teamwork and how to work cohesively with other people.
I'm George Barba. I'm a team supervisor for the Summer Brush, and this is my second year here. As a team leader, I particularly monitor all the kids while they're working, make sure the tools are placed safe conditions, teach them how to work on the field and how to work together as a team.
It teaches you how to work together because it puts you in contact with people you normally wouldn't talk to outside of the work setting.
Some life skills I've learned is to communicate with others, be independent, but also work with your teammates that you have, because it's very important when you're working as a team to get things faster.
For a free estimate and to hire Glendale Youth Alliance Youth, please call 818-548-3727. Every year, the Glendale Fire Department opens its doors and invites the public to visit for a family-friendly afternoon. Here is Glendale firefighter Stephen Pettit to tell you more.
Please come join us for Fire Service Day on Saturday, May 9th at Fire Station 21, 421 Oak Street. The day will start with a free pancake breakfast and continue from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. with fun-filled family activities. Here's a sneak peek at last year's activities. So don't forget to bring the entire family to Fire Service Day, Saturday, May 9th. Hope to see you there.
The City of Glendale invites you to Earth Day at the 134 on Saturday, May 2nd on the 200 block of Maryland Place between Louise Street and Maryland Avenue. Join us as we learn new ways to have a greener lifestyle and care for our planet. Participate in workshops and activities for people of all ages while enjoying live entertainment, food trucks, and more. Plus, be sure to stop by and share your ideas for Glendale's Space 134 project. For more information, please call 818-937-8333 or visit us online at glendaleca.gov. And now, here's something for all you runners and hikers, or for anyone who just loves Glendale's great outdoors. Dignity Health, Glendale Memorial Hospital and Health Center presents the 5th annual Verdugo Mountains 10K Trail Run and Hike. This year's event will take place on Sunday, May 3rd in beautiful Grand Park and will begin promptly at 8 a.m. The Verdugo Mountains 10K is the largest single-event trail race in Southern California and brings runners and hikers of all ages from all over the country and even some internationally.
Good luck, everyone. We'll see you after the race. Thanks for coming out. Enjoy the Verdugo Mountains.
The spectacular trail climbs steadily for approximately 3.3 miles to a turnaround point at an elevation of 2,670 feet. On the way up, the road gains approximately 500 feet of elevation for every mile. At the turnaround, it's a fast downhill descent to the finish. The Verdugo Mountains 10K is produced by the Community Services and Parks Department to provide a family-friendly outdoor recreation experience and to showcase Glendale as a recreation destination for all of Southern California. Proceeds benefit the work of Glendale Parks and Open Space Foundation. Not quite ready for the big race? There are some great training opportunities leading up to May 3rd. For more information and to register, please visit runtheverdugos.com, and we will see you on the mountain. In an effort to make information more readily available for our residents and prospective residents, the Community Development Department has developed a new online property portal. Let's check out how it works.
The City of Glendale's Community Development Department now offers an online property portal tool to assist individuals in finding important information about Glendale properties. This tool is a valuable resource for anyone conducting research about a property. Someone looking to purchase a new home, for example, would be able to gather important clues and insight into the property's history before making a purchase. Here's how to do it. Visit the City of Glendale website at glendaleca.gov. Go to How Do I and select Property Information. Once you have entered the Property Information homepage, you are ready to begin your search. You may use a property address, APN number, or permit number. Enter that information in the search field in the upper right-hand corner. If an exact address is not found, your search will display the closest matches under the Address tab. Select the correct property address. Your results will show the property's location on a map. You may switch your map to satellite view if you prefer by clicking on the square at the lower left-hand corner of the map. Now that you have found the address you're interested in researching, you can use the arrows to the left to access details about the property, including permits that have been issued, and more. We hope the Property Information Portal will help you get the information you need quickly and efficiently. If you have any questions about the portal, or if you need assistance, please contact us directly at 818-548-3200, and our customer service staff will be happy to help you.
That's it for the April episode of On the Move. For weekly updates on meetings and events, tune in to GTV6 for the look ahead. And for up-to-the-minute news, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at MyGlendale. You can also stay informed by signing up for our free monthly electronic newsletter, City Connection. Sign up on the city's website. Thanks for watching. Join us next month as we continue to explore the interesting things happening in the city of Glendale.